If you're making soap for fun, you can choose whatever scent you like. But if you're selling soap, scent is not just creative, it's strategic. Over time, I've learned that customers don't buy based on what sounds interesting, they buy based on what feels familiar, safe, and giftable. Some fragrances consistently sell, while some sit on the shelf no matter how pretty the bar looks. So in this video, I'm sharing the soap scent categories that consistently perform well in real-world selling, the ones customers repeatedly choose. Number 1. Lavender. Lavender is one of the most reliable soap scents. It appeals to a wide age range, it feels calming and natural, and it's easy to gift. Even customers who don't normally buy handmade soap will choose lavender because it feels safe. It's not flashy or trendy, it's dependable. Most sellers find that lavender consistently stays in their top sellers. Number 2. Citrus scents. Lemon, orange, grapefruit, bergamot. Citrus scents sell because they feel clean and fresh. They're especially strong in summer. Customers associate citrus with fresh, clean kitchens, bright mornings. Citrus bars often move quickly at markets because they stand out when people smell them. Bright, clean scents pull people in. Number 3. Eucalyptus and mint. Fresh herbal scents like eucalyptus, peppermint, or spearmint perform well year-round. They feel energizing, they feel spa-like, refreshing, and they work well in men and women product lines. They're especially strong during colder months when people gravitate toward cool scents. Number 4. Vanilla. Vanilla is a quiet top performer. It feels warm and comforting, and it layers well with other fragrances. Even though it's simple, it appeals to a broad audience. Vanilla-based blends like vanilla almond or vanilla lavender tend to perform better than complex dessert fragrances because comfort sells. Number 5. Oatmeal, milk, and honey. This category consistently performs well because it signals gentle. Customers looking for sensitive skin options, even if they aren't specifically shopping for unscented, they want something soft and safe. Oatmeal, milk, and honey combinations are strong because they feel wholesome and non-irritating. This scent category is often one of the most giftable. Number 6. Sandalwood and warm woods. Woodsy scents like sandalwood, cedarwood, and amber blends tend to sell well, especially to male customers or people buying for men. This scent feels grounded and sophisticated. They're especially strong in fall and winter. A simple sandalwood or cedarwood blend often outsells more experimental masculine scents. Warm woods are safe without being boring. Number 7. Clean cotton or fresh linen. This category surprises some sellers. Clean laundry type scents perform well because they feel familiar. Even though they're synthetic profiles, customers associate them with freshness. People who don't want floral or sweet often choose clean linen. It feels natural and safe. Number 8. Rose and soft florals. Florals can be risky if they're too strong, but soft florals like rose, peony, or light garden blends consistently sell. The key is balance. Heavy perfume-style florals often struggle, but light, natural florals perform well, especially in spring, and florals are especially strong for gift purchases. Number 9. Seasonal blends. Seasonal scents can spike sales dramatically. Pumpkin spice in fall, peppermint in winter, fresh florals in spring, coconut blends in summer. Seasonal rotation creates urgency, and customers are more likely to buy when they feel something is limited. Limited availability increases perceived value. Number 10. Simple blends over complex ones. This is less about a single scent and more about a pattern. Simple blends almost always outperform complex experimental ones. 2-note blends sell better than 5-note blends. Familiar combinations win over abstract names. Customers buy what they recognize. If they have to decode a scent, they hesitate. Clarity sells. It's also important to mention which scents tend to struggle and not perform as well. Things like very unusual scent combinations or overly sweet dessert fragrances and extremely strong perfume type blends. And also unscented bars. Unscented products have their place, but in general retail environments, scent drives impulse purchases. Customers smell first and decide second. So what actually makes a scent sell? It's not just the fragrance itself. Scents that feel giftable tend to move faster. Scents that feel safe tend to attract new customers. And scents that perform well once lead to repeat purchases. If you're selling soap, it's better to build around 5 strong, consistent sellers than 25 unpredictable ones. And if you are currently selling soap, I'm curious, which scents move fastest for you? Let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.